man, we got emojis. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I'm back with another fire Nike SB review, man. Today is from the 15-year-old skateboard prodigy, Rayssa or Rayssa? I gotta get that right, man. But it's a Brazilian name, so you know, help me out, man. And when I first saw pictures of this sneaker, man, I felt all kind of emotions. I thought it was like super dope that a 15-year-old gets her own SB, and she's been killing since she was 7, man. Like the moves I seen her do, I wouldn't even try, man. But dope sneaker also, emojis on the shoelace. There's a lot of first kinds in this sneaker, and I really like it, man. The first thing I noticed is like the bright colors. She said she wanted to make a sneaker like to show her energy. So you see like the vibrant colors on this, and I really like that, man. Known fact though, this is not her first sneaker with SB. I remember a while ago, and it's crazy that I remember this because I wouldn't even put that sneaker on, but she made a Verona slip. That's how a Verona slip looks, guys. That's not something I'm into. So, but this is her first time with an SB, man. So off the back, I see like a platinum silver situation, a vibrant purple, what they calling that blue? Deep royal, right? I see a lot in here, man. Also, she skates in a fairy costume. So she's known for like, they call it like the fairy skater and stuff. I just want to get to the sneaker. Let's unbox them. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So speaking of platinum, we get that platinum box back. This has been a theme for like half last year and this year so far. The white, off-white, chrome, silver looking box. I'm still a fan of the quick strike lifesaver joints, but I ain't really mad at this. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low PRM RL. RL must stand for her initials in her name. Per platinum, deep royal blue. I told you I deep royal blue. I seen it. And that's it. It has no notice of the purple we see in there, but I guess they don't want to put every color. When you flip open the lid, let me show you how this here. I'll show you on the ones. Let me show you on the dunks. Can we get that quality? I don't want the paper to fall. Oh, there we go. Quality control stamp right there, guys. You get that tissue paper with like a skateboard design. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's black. And you get your Nike SB glow-in-the-dark sticker. Now let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Nike SB Rayssa's Dunks. Now I'm not gonna lie, gives me Dorito vibes a little bit without the orange. So my highlight of the shoe, my favorite part of the shoe, believe it or not, it's not the emojis, it's the gum bottom. You can't find 5 pairs of sneakers with a gum bottom. That's not hot, man. That gum bottom just does something to a sneaker that I really like. But we usually start at the toe box, so let's go there. Nice white toe box, but definitely premium leather. That's what the PRM for. Definitely premium leather, guys. Around that, you get like a... Oh, man, what is this, man? It's soft, and then some parts of it is hard. Definitely some nubuck suede in here, but the designs feel more cementy to me. But that's around the toe box, and that actually goes all the way up the sneaker. But before we get there, the emojis. And I don't expect nothing less from a 15-year-old. And even adults, we all use emojis all crazy nowadays. So I really like this look. You got a Same color as the sneakers. You got your deep royal there, that plum purple, and then that gum bottom there. Deep royal on the swoosh. Behind it again is more designs. I don't know if this has something to do with Brazil. She is from Brazil, so that might mean something like that. But 9 times out of 10, it's either that or something with skateboarding. But it looks like at first it looked like number ones to me, but I got to do some more research on that part. But getting to the back, you got the same design as the mid in the front. There go her logo there, dope R. That's a super dope R, and it does look like it has something to do with like a fairy. As you can see it there. Come around the back. My favorite logo in the world is dressed in that deep royal blue. Behind that grayish silver platinum look. Come down, both swoosh collide. The dark blue there on the outer and that purple on the inner. Let's get to that purple. Very bright purple, man. I think if you use way too much more of these, this would definitely be a woman exclusive. But the purple hits here on the R logo, on the tongue, and of course the emoji there. The tongue, fat, big, SB logo, pillow. I like it. Okay, I just seen something. So the designs in here matches the smiley face in here. Okay, so we getting somewhere. It just says made in Vietnam with the smiley face, look like a robotic, but it does look like a skate deck or a skateboard. So maybe all these in here is the skateboard and the skate deck. If you know, comment section below, teach us all please. But it's dope, whatever it is. The inside has those smiley faces also with the skate decks. I'm calling them skate decks. I'm going out on the limb. With her logo on the inside in that deep royal blue. And you get, it comes with white with blue deep royal tips. But you could do the vibrant purple, which I like. You know I'm a Laker fan, and it's almost close to that Laker purple and gold look there. And you get the deep royal blue shoelaces too. The bottom I told y'all is all gum. Got a blue center though. This gum is nice, man. Gives you that pre-aged look already, and I like that. This is the left shoe here, guys. As you can see, the soles changed. So in the left, you got purple. On the right, you had deep royal blue, but you don't get her logo in that smiley face with the skate decks. Oh, you do. It's further up, way further up. There we go. Way further up, you get that Nike logo on the inside on this one. So they switched it up on each side, like almost SB does with their collabs. Everything else, though, seems to be the same. The tongue sports like a mesh look here, like a regular dunk also. So the material kind of changed there. In the back of the left, with the purple smiley face, it is a netting here, like a mesh netting in the back of this. More netting than satin, but I feel kind of both, like nylon. But yeah, everything adds up from right to left on this dunk. Yes, sir. Whether she's 15 or 51, this dunk is fire, guys. Like, I like it, man. I feel like it should have came out last year with all the other fire skate shop sneakers, but it shows you that dunk is not slowing down. I did a video a couple of weeks ago when I asked, is SBs doing too much? They're not, guys. This is dope, and especially she's a skater. She's skating in a fairy costume. She's killing it since she was 7. Won X Games. She needed this. This was recognition, and I'm happy she got it. I really like these emojis, man. I wish it came with like a sandwich bag with some more, but that's just me being choosy, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Retail was $130, right? Shipping, I think I paid $140, but $200 is kind of like where they at right now overall. I did see some pairs for like $195, some pairs for $208, depending on sizes. But $200, I would say, is base for this sneaker. And if you don't own an SB, this is one of those dope ones to get into, because y'all gotta remember, SBs don't retro, guys. So once they out, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. And if I get this video out in time, guys, the Jordan 4 Reimagines are restocking today. I just don't know what time. But I don't know if I'm going to get the video out in time, but I wish you all luck on that. Everybody, get rich.